Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm walking you through a complete beginner's guide to replacing your rear brake shoes on the Toyota Wish and similar models using the same brake assembly, from taking off the wheels all the way to reinstalling and testing your brakes. I've also made separate videos showing directly the disassembly and installation, so check those out too. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if this video helps you out. It really supports the channel and helps more people find this content. The first step is to prepare the vehicle. Park the vehicle on a flat surface, set it in park, and place wheel chocks. Loosen first the wheel nuts slightly. Then use jack to lift the vehicle safely and secure with jack stands. And now, continue to remove the nuts and then remove the wheels completely. Step 2. Remove the brake drum. If you are working on a Toyota or similar vehicle, use two M8 by 1.25mm bolts in the threaded holes to push the drum up gently and make it sure that you will not overdrive the one side, as it may cause the drum brake touches the brake shoes inside and damage the parts. Let's start to remove the brake drum. And after removing the brake drum, the step 3 is take reference photos. Snap a clear photo of the brake assembly before removing anything. Don't disassemble both sides of rear brakes and keep one side for reference. Wear a dust mask to avoid inhaling brake dust. And now, we are gonna start to remove the brake shoes. Step 4. Remove old brake shoes. Remove the return spring at the top using the brake spring tool, pliers, or a vice grip, which I am using now. Use nose plier or a spring tool to remove the hold-down springs. You can turn either way to unlock the hold-down springs. Carefully remove the brake shoes, the adjuster mechanism, and disconnect the parking brake lever. While brushing off the dust, inspect the wheel cylinder for leaks or corrosion. Spray the backing plate with brake cleaner, including all the brake parts except the old brake shoes. The next step is to install the new brake shoes. Step 5. Install new brake shoes. Attach the parking brake lever to the new trailing shoe and self-adjuster assembly on the other brake shoe. Attach first the primary return spring with the self-adjuster on the brake shoe, and then apply grease as well in the backing plate. But first, set it in 0 position, like what I did right now. Install the hold-on springs together with the brake shoes and connect the return springs between the shoes using the vice grip pliers. Install the anchor spring and any final clips. Double check all parts for proper placement. And then step 6, clean and adjust. Clean the brake drum and shoe surface to remove any oil. And now brake adjustment portion. When doing adjustment, the aim is to make the shoes slightly touching the brake drum. So if you can feel like it's slightly touched, then that will be your final adjust. Finally, we are done on the brake replacement, so let's now reassemble or reinstall the wheels, which is the step 7. Reassemble and test the brakes. When reinstalling the wheels and hand tighten the nuts, lower the vehicle and torque the nuts, which is 105 Newton meter based on the car's manual. Do a test to check the brake function, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more DIY car tutorials. See you in the next one.